Penguins for National Geographic Kids and Explore My World and by Jill Esbaum. An Emperor Penguin. For these penguins, Antarctica is home sweet home. It's a frozen, snowy place without lakes or rivers or a single blade of anything green. Waddle. This tall as a first grader bird doesn't mind that the temperatures are below zero, way below zero. Their bodies are perfect for a refrigerated life. A baby penguin would not survive long in this frozen world by itself. Luckily, emperor parents know how to protect their little one. After Mom lays an egg, she rolls it from under her webbed feet onto Dad's. Oops, careful! When the egg is safely atop Dad's feet, whew, he lowers a special feathered pouch to keep it cozy. Mom leaves right away. She needs to find food, and for that, she must travel to the sea. She will walk many miles before reaching water. Her leathery feet march across the snow. Her sharp claws grip icy spots. When she finds the sea, Mom will feast for weeks. Brr, why Antarctica? How can penguins live in Antarctica? Leathery webbed feet are great for standing on ice and swimming. Feathers are tightly packed and waterproof. Underneath, a layer of fat called blubber helps protect against the chill. And there's a few little questions. Can you waddle like a penguin? Is your hair waterproof? Are your legs shorter or longer than a penguin's? How do you keep your feet warm? Shiver! Bone-chilling cold, icy winds, blizzards. The penguin dad stands through it all, keeping the egg safe and warm. He does not get a break for 2 long months, not even to eat. To keep from freezing, all the father penguins in a group or colony huddle close together. They take turns shuffling into the toasty middle, then out again. Mom penguin returns to the colony in July or August. She and Dad call back and forth until they find each other. Why, hello, chick. As soon as Mom tucks the hatchling into her own feathered pouch, Dad takes off. It's his turn to find the sea and much-needed food. Like Mom, he waddle walks over miles of ice and snow. He sometimes flops forward to toboggan, pushing with his feet and flippers. What's for lunch? What do emperor penguins eat? Penguins eat food found only in the sea, like Antarctic silverfish, hooked squid, and Antarctic krill. From their colony, penguins might have to walk 50 miles, 80 kilometers, to find open, unfrozen water. They dig deeper than any other bird. They dive deeper than any other bird to 1,850 feet, or 565 meters. And they're able to stay underwater for 15 to 20 minutes without taking a breath. And again, some questions in these circles. Would penguins eat carrots? Do you eat fish? Can you swim underwater? Should you walk on ice quickly or slowly? Glurp. Mom penguin's belly is still full of seafood. She brings bits up into her mouth to feed her chick. The fuzzy chick grows bigger, braver. It pops out to take a look at the wide white neighborhood and toddles over the snow to meet new friends. Summer arrives in December, and ice near the colony breaks up. An adult penguin chick sits while Mom goes off to fish. Dive, penguin. At last the penguin is big enough to try swimming and fishing on its own. Sploosh! Here we have a penguin map. There are 17 different types of penguins. Most of them live in Earth's southern hemisphere along the coast. The southern hemisphere is the bottom half of this world. Of our world. Follow the key below to see where on Earth some of these penguins live. So there's colors, and we can track the colors and names to different parts of the map. So Galapagos Penguin lives on the Galapagos Islands, which are right here. Humboldt Penguin lives in northern Chile and Peru, so that's right here along the coast of South America. Erect crested penguin live in the Antipodes, Bounty, Auckland, and Campbell Islands down here. Those are islands connected to the continent of Australia. Little blue or fairy penguin lives in New Zealand and Australia, right? Emperor penguin lives in Antarctica, and you can see it's a little bit farther away from the coast, right? It goes inland too. Gentoo penguin live in sub-Antarctic islands and the Antarctic Peninsula. So over here, we've got those Gentoo penguins. Maybe these are the ones that live on icebergs. And African penguin lives in Namibia and South Africa. So right here, the coast of southern Africa. All right, and that's the end of this book. I hope you learned some cool new facts about penguins.